Hello guys, welcome to Tuhin editing, and today we are going to show you how we can cut a clip inside Adobe After Effects. So here in the composition we can see already a video is placed. So to cut a clip you just need to move this slider in the place where you want to split the video. Maybe this is the place, and after that you need to go to edit and split layer. If you press this, it will split this video layer into two different parts, and and you can do it by using this shortcut Ctrl+Shift+D. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.